Hi everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe following the rules and guidelines of the government. Welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. This is the reading for the month of May 2020. Sorry for delayed. And this is the reading for the zodiac sign Aquarius. Okay, so let's check it out what's going on with Aquarius. But before that, I just want to tell you guys that if you want to support my YouTube channel and my live sessions with the help of donation, the donation link is given in the description box below. You can donate via PayPal and Google Pay. The second most important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below related to career, motivation and relationship, situationship. The third most important thing guys is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days online tarot learning workshop via WhatsApp video call, Zoom video call and Skype video call, the details are given in the description box below. Fourth most important thing guys is that if you want to be a part of Vasol giveaway, so you have to like my videos, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasol Tarot Prediction, you have to comment down below by hashtag Vasol giveaway and you have to take in a screenshot and send me via Gmail. Okay, so the steps are given in the description box below. And last but not the least guys, I'm daily doing live sessions for Facebook. So if you want to be a part for live sessions, okay, my weekly schedule is really different. So for all zodiacs I come between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. on my Facebook page Vasol Tarot Prediction. So kindly like my page so that you will be getting a notification whenever I'll be live. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what's coming up, what is the past, the present and the future of Aquarius. Okay, let me check it out. Okay, wow, so 3 of Wands, Ace of Wands and Knight of Wands. Okay, also one more thing guys, kindly like my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment below. Okay, like what kind of videos you want me to put on. Okay, so let me check it out. In the past you are stuck up, okay, you're confused, you're stuck up about something. In the present you're waiting for an opportunity, waiting for something, waiting for a ships to arrive in. Okay, and in the upcoming future there's Knight of Swords, so you are going towards your wish fulfillment. Okay, let me check it out what's going on. Let me clarify 3 of Wands. Confused about what? Spirits, tell me. Aquarians are confused about what? Confused about what? You are confused about what? Sorry for the background sound. You are confused about what, Aquarius? Okay. The Justice, Ace of Cups and 7 of Cups. Okay, I think you have a stuck energy, disappointment about thinking about a new beginning. Okay, daydreaming about your financial matters particularly or a relationship, take it however it resonates, but thinking about something, daydreaming about something and confused and stuck up about the same. Okay, so yes, let me clarify daydream. 7 of Cups is Seven of Cups is clarified by 9 of Swords. That means you are having sleepless nights in the past. You were confused about it. Okay, you were having sleepless nights, anxiety issues, thinking about how to move forward, how to go about it, how to take important steps. Okay, so yeah, let me clarify. Wow, so this stuck up energy is all about the Tower moment. Something has happened in the past or is happening currently. Okay, so that's why you are releasing, there is a tarot moment happening, demolishing of a bad cycle or a bad situation and establishing of a new situation. Okay, universe wants you to go on a new path, new beginning. Okay, whether it's related to career, whether it's related to a relationship, but a new beginning is coming into your life. Okay, just embrace it with open hearts. Do not get into a stuck up energy. Okay, let me clarify this. Justice. Yeah, you are thinking, you are planning, you were stuck up about whether you want to move forward. If yes, how you want to move forward. So you had a lot of stuck energy in the past. Okay, and I feel that this tarot moment is bringing a lot of clarity when it comes to taking a decision about your life. Okay, thinking about taking a decision of moving forward. Okay, let me clarify. Ace of Wands. Wow, very good. So you were holding back from something in the past, whether you want this or not, whether you should proceed further with this or not. Okay, something related to career. Basically, I feel career it is, because there is no love showing right now. Let us clarify further also, but take it however it resonates. It might be related to your career, it might be this situation might be related to your love life. Okay, so yeah, but I feel this is basically about career. Okay, because there is pentacles. Okay, so yeah, I feel that you were holding back in the past about something. You were stuck up about something, whether to move forward or not. You were you have a lot of stuck up energy. You wanted to make a decision in the past, or you want it right now to make a decision, but you have you're holding back yourself. Okay, so Ace of Wands is clarified by Death, the Fool, and Four of Pentacles. Okay, so a lot of currently I feel you are releasing all this confusion, sadness, problems. Okay, sleepless nights. Okay, no more thinking about it, or even if you are thinking, you are releasing it in a positive sense. Okay, so ending of some bad situation when it comes to a bad career, bad financial, if you are not earning that much, so bad financial situations, ending of something is happening. Okay, even if it's a relationship, there is something bad into ending of something, ending a bad relationship in a karmic cycle. Okay, so something bad is ending. Okay, something toxic is coming to an end definitely. Okay, so I feel a new beginning is waiting for you currently, but you are holding back, you are not embracing it. I feel you are not allowing this new beginning to happen. Okay, so there's a lot of happiness waiting for you in the upcoming future, but I feel you have to embrace this new beginning. You have to take a leap of faith for the same, but this won't be easy. Okay, you will have a lot of doubts currently. Okay, whether I should move forward, what is happening with me, am I doing right with my decisions, am I doing what is going on in my life. Okay, a lot of this questions will pop up into your heart. Okay, and I feel this is correct, because when you go with a leap of faith, I feel this happens with every one of you, almost every one of you. Okay, so yes, let me clarify Four of Pentacles. Wow, so if you were holding back with your finances, this is a career reading, guys, because there are a lot of pentacles. Okay, so take it however it resonates though, but yeah, Four of Pentacles. So I feel that you were holding back when it comes to your materialistic world, materialistic satisfaction. Okay, stability in your career, finances, professional thing. So you are a lot you are holding back, and I think you are confused about this career life. Okay, because you want an stable career professionally and personally also. You want a healthy professional life, healthy professional finances, healthy income, everything you want it to be stable in. Okay, and the things which you wanted, okay, you were not getting. Okay, so that particular situation is coming to an end with Ten of Swords. Okay, ending of some sort is definitely coming. Ending of this bad situation where you were not feeling stable. Okay, so if your finances were not good, that is coming to an end, because in the upcoming weeks, okay, after this ending, after this cycle ends, okay, some new opportunities when it comes to your career, finances, jobs, and new salary, promotion might be coming into your place for sure. Okay, yes. Yeah, great. Knight of Swords is clarified with Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and the Emperor. Wow! So in the upcoming weeks, you are taking your power back. Okay, no more holding back with something, with this stuck energy of money related issues. If you had any, with this stability issues, okay, if you had any, so no more stuck up energy. Okay, in the upcoming weeks you will be taking an action, you will be gaining your own power. Okay, and moving forward towards your stability, moving towards your happiness, that is a stable professional materialistic life. Okay, so a new offer, lots of new offer might be coming into your place. Let me clarify. You're getting back into your own power. Okay, so Page of Pentacles is clarified with Three of Pentacles. That means a lot of collaboration. This came in the past reading also of last month, of yours reading only, I do remember. Okay, so a collaboration project, new projects, new collaborations might be coming onto your way, new offers might be coming onto your way. Once this cycle ends and you start moving forward. Okay, by taking an action towards something new, a good job opportunity, a good raise in job pay. Okay, so once you end this cycle, once this ending of a cycle gets there, only then there will be Page of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. That means that an offer will be coming towards you, not just one offer, many offer might come. Okay, and you will be building up with a lot of determination, dedication, a lot of collaboration, a lot of teamwork, group work, building up something. You will be working hard towards it. Okay, so some sort of hard work is coming onto your way with good job offer or something like that, job offer or any project offer, something like that is coming in the upcoming weeks for sure. Okay, and you will be working hard towards building it. Okay, let me clarify. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is clarified with this particular offer. You will be highly intuitive in the upcoming weeks. Okay, and you will be taking action, you will be victorious if you accept this offer. Whatever offer in the upcoming weeks is coming, if you are accepting it, related to your money, related to your job, related to your new job, related to a good opportunity, whatever it is. Okay, if it is coming, if you are accepting it related to your career. Okay, if you are accepting it, you will be victorious. Okay, so you will be highly intuitive, you will have a positive impact into yourself, thinking about that. You will be highly intuitive about taking this decision to move forward with this offer and taking an action towards it, and you will be victorious towards it. Okay, let me clarify the Emperor. What's going on with the Emperor? Wow. Okay, so you will gain a lot of authoritative figure. Okay, so some sort of an authoritative figure will be coming towards you, or else if you were not in the power till now, that power which you had, that confidence you had and you lost somewhere in this reading, so I feel that power will be coming back towards you. Okay, by taking a risk. Okay, of taking a risk, gaining a lot of clarity. Okay, yeah, a lot of happiness and joy feeling will be coming towards you, because you will be releasing all this burden of this career issues, whatever you were going through. Okay, so you will be standing strong in your own power. Okay, yeah. Also one more thing, there are few people, if someone is planning in Aquarius zodiac, someone is planning to close a job. Okay, to start a new business. Okay, so in the upcoming weeks, maybe in the end of the May, 29th to 31st of May. Okay, so the time is good for starting some new business. Whosoever is thinking about starting a business, switching up of a job, closing of a job, leaving a job, and starting a new business. Okay, if someone is thinking out there, you can start between 29th of May to 31st of May. Okay, so the time will be good for you to start your business. Okay, yeah, because this is like you will gain your power in the upcoming weeks, so that time will be good for you to take an step, take an action towards it for sure. Okay, yeah, see, I told you the world is there, 10 of swords is there. How many endings are coming into your reading? See, the fool is there, death is there, ace of cups is there, the tower is there. See, just listen to it. Sorry, sometimes it really gets not really that. Okay, so see, the world is ending of a bad cycle or a bad situation. Okay, and establishing of a new situation, ending of a bad cycle or a bad situation, starting of something new, beginning of something new, taking a leap of faith. Okay, starting of something new, new opportunities, new beginnings in your career life, in your relationship, whatever it is you are dealing with currently with this situation. Take this situation however it resonates. Okay, so new beginning is coming onto your way, new opportunities are coming only if you will, make this ending happen, embrace this ending, no more doubt, release all those doubts and move forward. Okay, whatever is coming, go with the flow. That's the only thing. So that again, ending of something bad is happening. Okay, if you were stuck up with your finances, if your stability issues, so this is coming to an end. Again, new beginning, new life, new opportunities, new projects, new clients. Tarot moment, one of the most toughest card in the reading is demolishing of a bad situation or a cycle, establishing of and rebuilding of a new cycle and a situation. See, I told you. Wow. So yeah, you have to get into your power back, and yeah, sorry for the light. Okay, I don't know why this is happening. Okay, so yeah, I hope I'm visible to you. Okay, I hope this is visible. Okay, so yeah, a lot of ending is coming, and allow this ending to happen. Do not be afraid of it, and because you will be feeling very confused, you will be questioning yourself during this time. You will be going through a lot of confused energy at the same time. Okay, so allow this ending to happen, because something good, something better, something amazing is waiting for you when it comes to your career life. A lot many offers might be coming onto your way. Okay, but you need to work hard towards it, because a lot of hard work is needed for the same. So yeah, and I feel this is mostly a career reading, because no two lovers were there, no two cups were there, so I feel this is basically a career reading. Okay, and you guys are mostly stuck up, and also one more thing I feel, I think currently you have started giving yourself more priority. Okay, once you start realizing yourself that self-love is more important, giving yourself your priority is the best thing, then a lot, all these opportunities will come into your way unknowingly. Okay, unexpectedly. So you will be happy. Just follow your happiness, because this is all what you want ultimately at the end. Okay, so once this cycle ends, a lot of happiness is waiting for you. Whatever you were waiting for, it will happen in the upcoming weeks for sure. But you have to trust yourself, you have to trust this universe, you have to make sure that whatever is happening is going on right with you. Okay, you don't have to just feel sad about it. Okay, you should not be confused about it, you should be very much sure about the situation. Okay, so yes, yeah, let me check out the universal message for you guys. Okay, universal message for you guys, Aquarius. Okay, so trust yourself, and I feel you are feeling happy, you are allowing it to happen currently. That is what my energy is saying for you guys. So trust yourself, allow this energy to happen. Once you start happening this energies, once you allow this energy to happen with you, once you allow everything to embrace it, everything will happen so soon for sure. Okay, so yeah, so let's check out the universal message for you guys, what universe wants to tell you. Okay, and I feel you are happy currently. I mean, but you are still waiting for something, and those waiting will be coming in the upcoming weeks as per the reading. Okay, so yeah, what sort of things you are waiting for, that is what I'm evaluating. Okay, so let's check it out, the universal message for you guys. Guys, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasol Tarot Prediction. And if you want to book on one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to join my 10 days online tarot learning workshop, how to read tarot cards and how one card resonates with another card, so kindly check it out. Okay, sorry, I don't know, my lights are not there, and that's why this I have to work with the help of sunlight. Okay, so yeah, let me check universal message. 3 cards I'll be pulling up for you guys. Okay, wow, so a lot of stuck energy is still there. I don't know, yaar, why this lights are so damn bad. Oh, okay, so universe is trying to tell you, do not be stuck. Okay, because something beautiful is coming. Stop waiting, release all this energy and embrace all the opportunities you are going through. Convert your stuck energy into opportunities and positivity. Okay, because only this will help you a lot. I don't know why this light is so dull. Okay, and I'm really feeling very irritated for the same, and I'm really sorry for the same. But yeah, so stop waiting for it. Okay, because your ships will actually arrive. Okay, at the right time. Allow this ending of a cycle to happen. Okay, allow this stuck energy to no more to no more make you feel stuck. Okay, anymore. So release all those things. That is what universe wants to tell you. And once you start doing it, a lot of good opportunities, good offers will be coming onto your way for sure. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading, Aquarius. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, and kindly comment down below how was the reading. Okay, bye guys, thank you so much.